This experience that we are having is undoubtedly real. It could be an illusion, which doesn't mean to say that it's not real, doesn't mean to say that it doesn't exist. It just means that it may not be what it appears to be. A landscape in a movie does exist. Something is obviously there. We can't say it's nothing. It's obviously something. But what is there is obviously not a landscape. And in order to find out what is real, we need to somehow penetrate through the illusion and touch its reality. When we go up to the landscape in a movie, we touch its reality and we find the screen, relatively speaking. The way the world appears to be is directly correlated with our sense perceptions. Our minds have the capacity of seeing, hearing, touching, tasting, and smelling. And, surprise, surprise, reality appears to us in the form of sights, sounds, tastes, textures, and smells. In other words, there is a direct correlation between the perceiving apparatus, our mind, and the appearance of the world. The world appears in accordance with the limitations of the apparatus through which it is perceived. White snow appears orange when you perceive it through orange-tinted glasses. What would the thing in itself be if we were to remove everything from it that our minds project onto it? If you were to remove sights, sounds, tastes, textures, smells, and concepts, if you were to remove perception and thought, perceiving and thinking, what would be left of reality? So there'd be no divisions, and there'd be no form. Mm-hmm. Because the forms that we perceive are all forms that we see, hear, touch, taste, and smell. Mm-hmm. So what would remain would be undoubtedly present, but it would be without any division, and it would be without any form. It would be, and it would be one, because there's nothing in it to divide it, mm-hmm. and it would be formless. That's being, God's being. Go to that being in yourself, because you cannot directly investigate the being that lies behind appearances in the world, because your only knowledge of the world, your knowledge of the world is mediated through sense perception. But you can directly investigate your own being. The awareness of being doesn't go through perception. It's the direct experience of being. This experience that we